Hey guys, welcome back to Car Review Pedia, where we break down everything you need to know about the latest rides hitting the road. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Cadillac CT5, a car that's redefining what it means to drive in luxury with a bold American twist. Now first things first, just look at it. The 2026 CT5 comes in with a refreshed front fascia, giving it a sharper, more aggressive stance. Cadillac's signature vertical LED lights are more sculpted, and that newly designed grille, it's both sporty and elegant, blending classic Cadillac design DNA with a modern touch. The hood lines are slightly more pronounced, giving the car a muscular yet refined look. It's the kind of design that turns heads without trying too hard. Under the hood, Cadillac hasn't made major changes, but that's not a bad thing. You still get the option between a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder putting out 237 horsepower and a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 with up to 360 horsepower. Both are mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive is available if you need more grip, especially for folks in colder climates. Driving the 2026 CT5 is exactly what you'd expect from a premium sports sedan. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but there's enough stiffness to give you confidence when cornering. The steering is precise, and road feedback is balanced. For those looking for even more performance, there's still the CT5 Volt and the beastly CT5 Volt Blackwing, but this standard CT5. It nails that sweet spot between comfort, performance, and style. Step inside and things get even more impressive. Cadillac really stepped up its interior game for 2026. The biggest upgrade. That stunning 33-inch curved LED touchscreen display that stretches across the dashboard. It's crisp, responsive, and integrates everything from navigation to climate controls. It's the same display tech we've seen in the Lyriq, and it's making its way into more of Cadillac's lineup, for good reason. It's visually stunning and makes other luxury brands take notice. Materials inside the cabin feel upscale. There's real aluminum trim, soft touch materials, and an overall minimalist design that emphasizes quality over clutter. You'll find leather seating is standard on higher trims, with options for ventilated and massaging front seats. Space-wise, the CT5 still offers generous room for front and rear passengers, although taller folks might find rear headroom a bit tight due to the sloping roofline. Technology doesn't stop at the screen either. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a high-end AKG sound system, wireless phone charging, and available Super Cruise, Cadillac's semi-autonomous driving tech that allows hands-free driving on mapped highways. It's one of the best systems on the market and a big selling point for long-distance drivers. Safety features come standard, with forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert all included. Optional packages will give you enhanced versions with things like a surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, and night vision for even more peace of mind. One thing that hasn't changed is the price point. Cadillac is keeping the CT5 competitively priced, starting just above $40,000 for the base model and climbing depending on your trim and options. That puts it squarely in competition with the BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, and Genesis G70, but with more flair and unique features, especially for those looking to stand out from the usual crowd. In terms of fuel economy, the base 2.0L engine will get you around 23 mpg in the city and 33 on the highway, while the V6 is a bit thirstier, but still respectable. Considering the power it delivers. Not bad for a luxury sports sedan that also knows how to have a little fun when you hit the gas. So who is the 2026 Cadillac CT5 for? If you're someone who values bold design, cutting-edge tech, and a driving experience that balances comfort with performance, the CT5 makes a strong case. It's luxurious without being boring, sporty without being uncomfortable, and packed with features that make every drive enjoyable. That's it for today's review. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Review Pedia, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the CT5 over its German or Korean rivals? Let us know. Thanks for watching.